Good afternoon and welcome to today's news brief. Today is Thursday, April 15. Active cases and hospital occupancy decreased slightly in Los Cabos. As of yesterday, there were 20 hospitalized patients, 17 of them in public hospitals and 3 in private ones. During yesterday's meeting of the Los Cabos COVID board, it was reported that for the week of April 7 through the 13th, there were 123 active COVID cases registered, a daily average of 17 cases. A figure that compared to last week represents a slight decrease in both cases and hospital occupancy in the municipality of Los Cabos. And for Wednesday, the hospital occupancy was reported at 11%. That's 4% less than the number reported on Monday. This 11% is equivalent to 20 hospitalized patients, 17 of them in public hospitals and 3 in private ones. 9 of these patients are intubated, 10 are reported as serious, and only 1 patient is reported in stable condition. The recovery percentage is 95.25%, and the fatality percentage in the municipality of Los Cabos is 4.75%, almost 50% lower than the national average of 9.07%. For now, the call to the community from the Los Cabos COVID board is to continue to observe the sanitary protocols in place and to seek medical treatment at the first onset of symptoms, such as headache, dry cough, fever, diarrhea, fatigue, shortness of breath, etc. Despite the existing limitations generated by COVID-19, the average timeshare occupancy is at its maximum allowed limit based on the health alert system for the municipality of Los Cabos, which is currently at alert level 3 and allows an occupancy of 50%. Because of this, guests have to reschedule for later dates. Javier Olivares, president of Asudestico, reported that in recent days, the service providers themselves have found it necessary to reschedule their guests for later dates, so as not to exceed the allowed capacity. When asked, Olivares mentioned that things continue to improve and timeshare properties have trained all their personnel to follow the established preventive and social distancing protocols to ensure the safety and well-being of all their guests. That is all that I have for you today. Have a great weekend, and remember to tune in on Sunday at 6 p.m. for another edition of Cabomilnews and Community Update with Corey Riggs and Claudia Velo and special guests César Pita and Isabel Gañón. En las noticias del día de hoy, el número de casos y ocupación hospitalaria baja ligeramente en el municipio de Los Cabos.